Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess and I just made a video about what I was getting my family and friends for Christmas and basically like a Christmas gift idea video. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend you go watch it. But while I was filming that video, I had this crazy idea to make a semester at sea gift guide, or what you should ask for Christmas if you're planning on going on a semester at sea voyage anytime soon, because there are a lot of things you need that you probably don't have, and it would just be super helpful if you ask for them for Christmas, so it's a gift you're getting already and you don't have to buy it yourself later on. So this is a list of 20 or more things that you're going to need for semester at sea, or things that might be fun to have, so let's get right into it. These first two things are very practical. The first really important thing that you're going to need for your semester at sea voyage that you might not already have is a big piece of luggage or a big suitcase, specifically one that has wheels and one that is soft-sided. So I'm going to put links for all of these down below, or like recommendations of places you could get them. But the reason why you might want a soft-sided suitcase or duffel bag is that that bag can condense once it's emptied and unpacked into your closet on the ship in your cabin and fit under your bed. And that's super important because you don't have a lot of storage space. So if you have a huge hard-sided suitcase with wheels, it might not fit under your bed. Additionally, the reason why you're going to want wheels is because then you don't have to lug it onto the ship. You can just roll it, and that's super nice, super convenient, way faster and easier and lighter too. The second gift idea that you could put on your Christmas list for semester at sea is a smaller duffel bag for when you go off the ship and stay in a country for 4 to 5 days. So if you're traveling and staying in hostels or hotels, once you get to the country that you're going to, all the things that you want to bring with you might not fit in your backpack, even if your backpack is pretty big. So a smaller duffel bag that can fold up really small and fit in your luggage, and then you can take it out and fill it with the stuff you need for 4 to 5 days might be a really good idea, and you should definitely ask for one of those if you don't already have one. The third item on the semester at sea Christmas list is a Polaroid camera and film, and this is definitely not an essential like some of the other items on this list, but I think that this is a really fun thing to have, and a lot of people had it on the ship because it's a fun way to capture memories and have them like printed out immediately, and you can hand them out to your friends so you all have physical photos together that you can hang up in your room when you get home, or put in a scrapbook or a bullet journal. So that is a really fun thing to ask for if you want to do something like that on your voyage. And then along those same lines, the fourth thing on the semester at sea Christmas list is a journal, a travel journal or a bullet journal, and maybe some fun pens or like watercolors to bring with you. Bullet journaling is a really big thing on the ship, which I didn't really realize. I didn't even like bring a journal, but you can write about your travels, you can write about what you did and the friends that you made, and a lot of people got really intense about it and like taped in photos that they had printed out, or they watercolored like sunsets, or one of my friends like watercolored all the gelato flavors she had, which was really cute and really fun. So if you're a crafty person or you want like physical memories that you can look back on in your journal, then ask for a cute little journal for Christmas. The next thing that you might want to put on your semester at sea Christmas list is an underwater phone case. Again, not an essential, but something I really wish I had, because there were so many times when I was in the ocean and the water was so clear. Like in Croatia, that was like the clearest, bluest water I've ever seen, and I think it really would have been fun to take like underwater photos, or even photos just like above water, but standing in the water without having the fear of dropping my phone in the water. So that's a really fun idea if you're going to be swimming a lot or going to warm locations. The next thing to put on your Christmas list also relates to swimming, but it might be fun to get some new swimsuits that you feel super confident in for the ship, because there's a pool on the ship and a lot of people sunbathe all the time, and then also for swimming in the ocean in countries that you get to if you're going to warmer countries. I sort of have a swimsuit obsession, and I just really like buying swimsuits. I think they're so fun and just so cute, and there's so many different styles and cuts and patterns, so you may as well ask for some new swimsuits if yours don't fit you, or if you just want some cute new ones to take photos in while you're on the ship. The next thing on the semester at sea Christmas list that is actually super important is a hard drive. So when you're on the ship, you're going to want to back up any photos you take or videos you take, because you never know if your phone is going to be dropped in the ocean, or if you're going to lose it, or it could even get stolen. So you want to have a backup of your photos so that you don't lose all of them, because they're going to be amazing photos. You're going to see so many cool things you're going to want to show your friends and family, and it's important to back them up. So either bring a small flash drive with you that has a lot of storage, or a hard drive that plugs into your computer so you can back up your photos. Something else that is really popular to do on the ship that relates to having a hard drive with you is that people upload tons of movies and TV shows to that hard drive to bring with them, so they can plug it into their computer and watch whatever they want, because entertainment opportunities are sort of slim on the ship, especially when it comes to movies to watch. So if you really want to watch movies with your friends, or TV shows like your favorite ones, you can download those onto the hard drive and then bring that with you for entertainment, and then it's a great way to make friends too, because you can watch movies with new people. The next thing you should definitely put on your semester at sea Christmas list is a scrub a wash bag. And I've talked about this a ton before, but this is a really cool way that you can do your own laundry in your room so that you don't have to spend money having the ship do your laundry for you. These wash bags are about $50 on Amazon, and it might seem expensive, but having someone wash your laundry on the ship, like a bag this big of your laundry, which would fit like 3 pairs of pants or something, is $7. So if you do the math, you're actually be saving money. The next thing that I would put on my semester at sea Christmas list is sort of related to laundry, and that is just new underwear in general. While you're not going to want to bring a ton of clothes with you because you don't want to have to carry them and you might not have space to store them in your closet, you are going to want to bring a ton of underwear so you don't have to like wash it every single day. And so if it's like drying after you wash it, you have clean underwear to wear while you're waiting for the other ones to dry. So my favorite underwear brand that is only like a year old, but it's so cute and it's getting so popular already, it's called Parade, and they have so many different styles and cuts, and I specifically love all the colors they have. And they also have some like mesh patterns as well. So I think Parade underwear is so cool. And I honestly have like 15 plus pairs of Parade underwear. And lucky you, Merry Christmas, I have a discount code for Parade underwear, and it gives you a free pair of underwear or $9 off your purchase. So feel free to use it. This video is not sponsored. I just got emailed it once I bought my pair of underwear, and it said like send it to your friends, and you guys are my friends. So feel free to get a free pair of really cute underwear and bring it on your ship with you, and think of me when you do that. Just kidding, don't. That's kind of weird. But I can guarantee you're really gonna like these. They're just so cute in such bright colors. The next thing to put on your semester at sea Christmas list, if you don't already have this kind of thing, is a travel mug with a lid that closes so that you can bring drinks out of the dining halls and the restaurants on the ship to your classes, because if you don't have a lid that closes, you can't bring it with you. So you can't just bring like a regular coffee mug full of coffee or tea to your class. It has to have a lid. So you may as well get one that's really high quality and keeps things warm or cold all day so you can enjoy your coffee and tea throughout the day. The next thing that might be smart to put on your semester at sea Christmas list is a portable charger. Now I had one of these with me on my voyage, but it was really low quality, so it didn't really charge my phone very much. Probably like just gave it an extra 25%. But it's really important because I was on bus rides that were like 6 to 8 hours long, and my phone was like close to dying, and I just wanted to listen to music so I wasn't bored. So having a portable charger is really helpful. Also, there's going to be places where you might not have the correct converter for the outlets in the country you're going to. So having a portable charger is super important. You can always take photos and get directions and text your family while you're on land. And that just made me think of another thing to definitely put on your semester at sea Christmas list, and that is a pack of outlet converters. All the countries you go to are going to have different outlets, and I had a converter that had like 4 like pop-out outlet things that worked for pretty much around the world. So a block that has multiple outlets that pop out of it is super helpful. I will for sure link one of those down below. And little known fact, the outlets on the ship are actually German outlets because it's a German made ship. So you can't just like plug in your phone charger into the wall. You need a converter, specifically one for Europe. So that is really good information to have. For sure ask for that for Christmas. The next things on the list are just sort of fun things to ask for if you don't already have them or if you want them for traveling in country. But that is a miniature backpack or a purse with a zipper. So a backpack might be nice, like a small one, not like your school backpack. But a nice smaller one might be nice because then you can put a water bottle in it and like a camera in it if you're bringing a camera and your wallet and your phone and some snacks. It's nice to have enough space to carry all of that so you don't have to carry it all in your hands or have a purse that's like exploding. But the other option of something you should ask for is a crossbody bag with a zipper that has enough space in it for snacks and your wallet and some sunglasses and some chapstick and your phone. That's basically what you're going to want to carry with you while you're traveling in country if you're going back to the ship that night. Like that's enough, and then I would just carry my water bottle in my hand. The next thing that you definitely need on the ship is a raincoat. If you don't already have a raincoat in your closet or in your collection, you're going to want to ask for one. Be sure it's literally waterproof and not just like a windbreaker because it can be pouring rain and you don't want to miss a day in country just because it's raining. You want to go still explore. So you might want to bring one that's a little bit longer so it covers your entire outfit and so that you stay dry. That'd be super helpful. Also, if you don't have an umbrella, ask for that as well. But these are 2 things that are essentials when you're going on the ship. The next fun thing you might want to put on your semester at sea Christmas list is really good walking shoes. So I recommend getting tennis shoes for sure, and then comfortable sandals. You want ones with like arch support and things that aren't going to give you blisters. Even if your platform sandals are really cute, they're going to give you blisters, so do not wear them. You're going to be walking like 12 or 15 miles a day when you're in the countries because you're going to be exploring the city and the streets, so wear some comfortable shoes. I think it's super nice that tennis shoes are coming back in American style, just worn with like skirts and dresses, like chunky tennis shoes. So get some of those that are comfortable and you're gonna be cute as well. The next thing you might want to put on your semester at sea Christmas list, this one is for the ladies, but it might be nice to have some longer spandex if you don't already have them, to prevent chafing when it's really hot in the countries you're going to, because I didn't think I was gonna have that issue, and then I did because it was so hot and I was walking all day long and I was like sweaty and my legs were in pain. So if you don't have longer spandex, you might want to bring some with you just in case. The next little Christmas gift that will be really easy for your friends or family to buy for you if you ask them to are your favorite candies and gums to bring with you on the ship. Like, this is a really cheap option for someone to buy for you off your Christmas list, and you're really going to enjoy them when you're on the ship because you're going to miss your favorite candies, and gum is just a good thing to have all the time, especially in school. Like, I get so bored and then I just chew gum. So that's a really good thing to ask for semester at sea. Also, I found that an easy way to make friends is to offer them gum or mints during class. So maybe you can meet your best friend by doing that and just asking someone if they want a piece of gum and then start a conversation that way. The next thing you could ask for Christmas on your semester at sea Christmas list is sunscreen. You can also buy this for yourself later on, but if someone's asking what to get you for Christmas and no one's gotten you this yet, they may as well get you some sunscreen. 30 SPF or higher, because the sun is very strong on the equator and on the ocean it reflects back onto you, so you're gonna get sunburned if you don't have sunscreen. So be sure to bring some on your trip. Going along with the sunscreen idea, it might be fun to ask for some new sunglasses on your trip, because I wore sunglasses every single day I was traveling in the countries and on the ship a lot because I was like suntanning on the top deck, and the sun just like burns your eyes, and if you want to read, you're going to want to wear sunglasses as well, and you can wear your sunglasses while you're doing homework, and if your hair is dirty, you can just like put your sunglasses in it like this and no one can even tell. So sunglasses are an essential. I think I brought like 2 or 3 pairs with me on the ship, and that was a great idea. So feel free to browse the internet, find a new cute pair of sunglasses that you absolutely love, and ask for those for Christmas to bring on the ship with you. The next thing you might want to put on your semester at sea Christmas list is a yoga mat if you don't already have one. They have yoga mats available on the ship, but they're shared by everyone, and if they're gone, they're gone, or like you don't know how sweaty they are or how dirty they are or who was on it last. So if you want to bring your own and know for sure it's in good condition and you're always going to have one available for you for workouts, then feel free to do that. You can get yoga mats for like $10, so they're not that expensive, and if you plan to work out a lot, it might be a good thing for you to bring. The next thing to definitely put on your semester at sea Christmas list are pressure point bracelets for seasickness. I don't know if these actually work or if it's just like a placebo effect, and I think it works because I didn't get seasick once I put them on and it made me feel better, but maybe it was just all in my head. But I think that my grandma gave these to me for a gift before I left, or maybe it was my mom, but someone gave them to me and was like, this could really help your seasickness, and I was like, okay, I'll bring them with me. And they're like tiny, they're so easy to pack, their case is like this big, and then you put them on whenever the waves are really rough and it makes you feel better, so ask for those as well. And then the last thing to put on your semester at sea Christmas list, if none of these other things interested you or if people are still looking for gifts for you, you can just ask for money or cash or a check or anything like that to go towards your travel to when you're getting on the ship, or to go towards your travel when you're in country, because it never hurts to have a little extra cash in your account when you're traveling and want to get a really special souvenir or something like that, or if you want to go to a fancy restaurant or spend one night in a fancy hotel, because it'd be really fun to tell your friends or family that gave you money, like, I spent the money that you gave me in Costa Rica going bungee jumping, like that's what you paid for me, like I got that awesome experience because of the gift that you gave me. So if all else fails, you can always just ask for money to go towards your semester at sea adventures or even your tuition. So that concludes this video of your semester at sea Christmas list and things you can ask for Christmas for your upcoming voyage. Please leave any other ideas you have in the comments down below for people's Christmas lists so that other people can read them and get more ideas of what to put on theirs. And I hope you're looking forward to any upcoming voyage you're going on or applying for, and please subscribe to my channel if you're interested, and I will see you guys in my next video.